Okay, friends, so once you open the presentation through Schoology, the first slide is where you write everyone in your group's names, the title of your film, class period and date, and then you will add a link here. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete this one for now and write text. You are going to use Stop Motion Animator. It's a Chrome extension in order to create your stop motion video. Okay. Now mine has already been added to my Chrome, which is why it says remove from Chrome. Yours may say add. You may also get pop-ups at the top that say allow camera, yes. Allow microphone, yes. To find your extensions at the top of your browser, you're going to click on the puzzle piece, and this is where all of your extensions are located. So if I click on Stop Motion Animator, I'm going to turn off my camera. Good job, Anderson. You're going to turn your camera on and click Capture to create individual frames. This will take the photos for you. Okay, you can also play your animation as you're creating it, and just to see how it looks, if it flows well. And at the bottom, you'll see your frames per second. You'll see your frames per second. Right now it's set to 7 frames per second, but you can switch this to 6 frames per second. And that will make your 60 frame animation about 10 seconds long. You can also record some audio in this extension, but there's not a lot of options, and sometimes the classroom is loud, so maybe you don't want to use that. You're going to click Save and download it as an MP4. Once you've downloaded your movie as an MP4, you are going to click on Canva sound effects in the presentation. Now, once you come to this website, you're going to click Add Sound Effects to your video. Yes, I do want to do that. It'll start in your uploads. You'll click Upload Files and import your movie. Open. It is currently uploading right now. It's the same video that I've used several times today. You just click and drag the movie into the screen, and you can resize it. You can add a background. You can add a movie title with this like little plus to add a page. Okay, it's your choice what you do with this in this part. Let's start over. Okay, now in order to add sound effects, you're going to click on Elements on the left hand side and search for something like police siren. Now all of these smaller titles like graphics, photos, videos, audio are on the left. You're going to scroll down till you see audio and select See All. To test the sound, you'll click play. To add the sound effect, you'll just click on the sound effects, and then you can, pardon me, you can click and drag to shorten it. So instead of it playing for the whole video, you can also click and drag and move it to some, like, a better spot. So like this. Okay. Now, I want to stack some of these. So right now, we saw the police siren. I want to add a scream. Perfect. Okay. I'm going to add a scream. Now, they will start adding them next to each other unless you click it and you drag it where you want it to be. And then they'll start to stack. Okay. So I'm going to move this closer to where he's actually screaming. Let's see. There we go. You can also shorten it as well. I'm going to shorten it. There we go. Let's see what this is. We're going to move this over. There we go. Okay. Start playing here. so ridiculous. You can also find music. Just search for something like burglary or robbery, and test out some of these sound effects. Cargo theft. Okay, you're gonna stack as many sounds and sound effects as you want, and then when you are ready and it's completely finished, you're going to click share. And then right underneath copy link, you're going to click public view link. Create public view link. Copy. Then you'll come back to your presentation. You're going to, undo. You're going to right click and paste your link, highlight your link, go to insert, and click link. And this will create a hyperlink for your video. This way, when we click on the link, it'll show us your movie. So this is one that I've already created using Sergio and Edgar's awesome little Lego animation test. Okay. Then when we come together as a class, we'll be able to just quickly go through and watch everyone's 10-second animations. I hope you found this helpful, and I can't wait to see what you create. Bye.